Welcome back to Harmony Health Hub. Today, we're diving into something truly transformative, the 7-Day Detox Challenge. Are you ready to reset your body and mind? Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm thrilled to embark on this journey with you. We all know how hectic life can get, and sometimes we need to hit the reset button. That's where the 7-Day Detox Challenge comes in. It's not just about cleansing your body, it's about rejuvenating your mind and spirit too. Throughout this challenge, we'll be focusing on nourishing our bodies with wholesome, nutrient-rich foods and engaging in practices that promote relaxation and mental clarity. But before we jump in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Alright, let's cleanse and conquer. Day 1 kicks off with a hearty breakfast packed with fiber and antioxidants. We'll be incorporating plenty of greens, fruits, and lean proteins to fuel our bodies and kickstart our metabolism. Nothing beats a refreshing green smoothie to start the day right. Day 2, we'll be focusing on movement and mindfulness. Whether it's yoga, meditation, or a leisurely walk in nature, taking time for ourselves is key to the detox process. Remember, it's not just about physical detox, it's about finding balance and inner peace. Day 3, hydration and rest. On day 3, focus on hydration and rest. Drink plenty of water and herbal teas to flush out toxins, and take time to relax and recharge. Your body will thank you for the extra care. Day 4, clean eating. Today, we're diving into clean eating. Fill your plate with fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to nourish your body from the inside out. Eating healthy never looked so good. Day 5, treat yourself to some self-care. Take a long bath, do a face mask, or practice meditation. Nurture your body and soul. You deserve this time to unwind and recharge. Day 6, we'll be reflecting on our journey so far and setting intentions for the days ahead. Journaling is a powerful tool for self-discovery and personal growth. Writing down our thoughts and feelings allows us to release what no longer serves us and make space for positivity and growth. And finally, on day 7, we'll be focusing on rest and relaxation. Getting a good night's sleep is crucial for our overall health and well-being. So grab your favorite book, cozy up under the covers, and let's recharge for the week ahead. And that wraps up our 7-Day Detox Challenge. I hope you feel inspired to embark on your own journey to reset your body and mind. Remember, small, sustainable changes can lead to big results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And be sure to leave a comment letting me know how your detox journey is going. I love hearing from you. Until next time, take care of yourself and stay healthy. Bye for now.